Today I'm going to be showing me doing a little upgrade for the A8SE Max light for my reef aquarium. I thought it was getting a bit too warm in operation, sort of around 60 degrees Celsius that is. So this is me just taking the screws out. You'll see me later on when I'm putting back in that I'm going through tightening them sort of sequentially. When you work with electronics a few times you'll work it out, but you may not have done, so I'll point it out to you. This bit, it's stuck down a bit, so give it a little bit of force, but you'll be able to feel. But don't be afraid, you're not going to break it, I don't think. Remove the lens. Make sure you put it down with the curved bit facing upwards. You'll need that for alignment later. The board here is just on some push pins, so you just sort of have to gently wiggle it loose. You'll be able to see as you do it. Be careful with the ribbon cable, that orange bit there. Do not break that, or the light won't work anymore. Quickly going to be doing some quick clean with some isopropanol. I didn't think it was really greasy or perhaps needed, but you know, old habit from doing CPUs, I suppose. This is just normal thermal paste, what you use on a CPU from AliExpress. I've got this stuff, HY510. Really impressive stuff. I've been using it for a few years. I've used it on high-end CPUs, low-end, few electronic devices that need cooling. And on this light, it's actually been on my light for about almost 3 months now. I've seen much better temperatures, sort of in the range of 15 to 20 Celsius improvement. I might have gone a bit over the top with the paste, but I'd rather make sure there's enough than not enough. It's easy to clean off with the isopropanol if you put too much on. This bit now you have to sort of squidge it down a bit. Try and sort of align it best you sort of can. You can see through the holes, so you have an idea where it should go. This is me just aligning the pins now, the push pins for the board. Be very careful, and you can see a few times I've had to sort of readjust on this. You'll know when it's right. You'll be able to see the pins coming through the holes. Just go slow. Put the lens back on. My own advice there, make sure you go it the right way up. Curve side down. Otherwise you'll crack it when you come to screwing it back in. Oops. Put all these screws in, just put them in lightly at first. Just enough sort of just to hold it in place, but not snug it down just yet. You just want to make sure you've got this side of the right sort of alignment first. Right, this is me just going back through them, adding a little more pressure. Just do it till you slightly feel it snug up. There will be some resistance because of the paste, so you may need to go through this a few times and just slowly do it. Just remember, this is how it stays, sort of, maybe not waterproof, but splash proof above your tank, because you do get salt spray, and it's surprising how high the spray can go. The lens needs a slight adjustment just then, so that's why I didn't do it all the way. There we go, just doing the final sort of tightening up now. Just sort of go by feel, don't go too hard on it, don't go crazy. It's not metal, it's plastic at the end of the day. And then just put the 4 outer screws back in. These are into metal, so you can go a bit tighter on these. The screwdriver set, if you're interested in an iFixit kit, great bit of kit. I can't fault it at all. I use it all the time, and the family does. I've had to have 2 sets in the house because they're always trying to use it. And that's like all back together. I'll now have to do the second one, but I won't put you through that. Thanks for watching. Thank you.